Hello everyone, welcome to today's Public Safety Industry webinar, Bridging Gaps with Innovation. My name is Anderson from the Marketing Department and I will be your host for today's session. Before we begin, let's take a quick look on today's agenda. In today's session, we will first talk about the radio waves overview, followed by understanding the industry market trends and challenges, provide an overview of Winmate's public safety products, and last but not least, I'll share some real-life case study. So radio waves here have a rich history of discovery and advancements that has transformed how we communicate, broadcast information, and connect with the world. Let's discuss more about it. So radio waves is a type of electromagnetic radiation that plays a major role in the technologies we use every day. From televisions to mobile phones and radios, radio waves are the invisible force that brings us communications and entertainment. Imagine this. When you pick up your phone to call a friend, or when you turn on your car radio to listen to your favorite station, you're actually tapping into the power of radio waves. These waves are the messengers of sounds, images, and data through the air. Radio waves come in various frequencies, ranging from 100 kHz to 300 GHz. But how does radio waves carry information? The basic principle behind it all is quite simple and can be compared to something we're all familiar with, which is Morse code. Think of it this way. Imagine you have a transmitter, kind of like a sender, and a receiver, which is like a catcher. At one end, the transmitter takes messages and makes them travel on radio waves. It does this by changing the speed or height of the wave. Think of it as encoding the message, just like how Morse code encodes the letters and words with dots and dashes. Now on the other side, we have the receiver, which is all set to listen for the same type of the wave that the transmitter sent out. When the wave reaches the receiver, it changes the encoded message back to its original form, whether that's sound, images, data, or anything else. Now, we use radio waves in almost every aspect of our daily lives, such as TV broadcasting, cellular communication, Wi-Fi, and it also used in the RFID and push-to-talk over cellular device. Now, I've mentioned about the RFID, but what is it? The RFID, or the radio frequency identification, is a technology that uses radio waves to identify and track objects or individuals, usually used in industries like healthcare, retail, hospitality, manufacturing, and many more. The RFID consists of two main components, the RFID tags and RFID readers. The RFID systems are made up of three main parts, an antenna, a transceiver, and a transponder, which is often called a tag. These components work together to make RFID system function. Now when it comes to RFID readers and tags, there are a couple of types we need to talk about. Let's start with the readers. There are fixed readers and mobile readers. Fixed readers are like the stationary point guards of the RFID world. They are installed in specific spots, and when an RFID tag comes close, the reader grabs the tag's data. Think of libraries using fixed readers to check in and check out books, making things super convenient. On the other hand, we have mobile readers. These are like handheld devices that can be carried around anywhere, making them handy for various situations. Imagine a nurse in a hospital using a mobile RFID readers to quickly scan items on the shelves and keep track of things. As for the RFID tags, they have two types, active and passive. Active tags have their own power source and can communicate from longer distance, even over 100 meters. They are used when knowing the exact location of assets for assets management. Passive tags, on the other hand, don't have their own power source. Instead, they got their power from the RFID reader's energy. These tags are often used in everyday scenarios. You might find them in adhesive labels or even embedded into products themselves. For example, if you receive a case of products, the supplier may attach passive tags to it. And when you remove the products and throw out the case, the tags also scrap. Now, the RFID is part of a family of technologies known as Automatic Identification and Data Collection, or AIDC for short. Now, what's exciting about AIDC is that it allows us to identify items, gather data about them, and seamlessly transfer the data to a computer system, all with minimal human involvement. Now, as I've mentioned in the previous slide, RFID system is made up of three important layers, which is antenna, transceiver, and transponder. When we combine the antenna and transceiver, we create what we call an RFID reader. In a world where technology is becoming a seamless part of our daily lives, RFID is a shining example of how innovation can elevate the way we're doing things. It's not just about scanning barcodes anymore, it's about effortlessly connecting with information. And speaking of efficient, we're going to switch gears a bit and talk about another interesting communication technology called push to talk. So, about push to talk, you might have used a walkie talkie or seen those two-way radios in action. Well, push to talk is kind of like that, but in a modern and super convenient form. Think about it as a digital shortcut for communication. Whether you're on a construction site coordinating a team event, you simply just press a button and you're instantly connected to a person or group you want to talk to. The push to talk cellular is a handy tool that's making communication faster and more convenient. Push to talk cellular use the power of cellular networks. It means that you're not limited by distance, simply making your conversations better. Now that we have talked about the RFID and the POC device, let's discuss about the industry trends and challenges. According to research from the data breach market, the push-to-talk market is projected to reach a value of 29.71 billion US dollars by the year of 2028. This impressive growth is set to unfold at a rate of 10.60% during the forecast period from 2021 to 2028. The increasing need for driver safety, the transition of land mobile radio systems from analog to digital, and the emergence of 5G network to improving push-to-talk operations are some of the factors that drives the market. However, like any other industries, the public safety industry also faces several communication challenges. First, there's the challenge of interoperability and compatibility. Different agencies and departments use various communication systems that might not always play nice together. This can hinder effective coordination when it matters most. Then there's the issue of coverage and connectivity. Ensuring reliable communications in remote or densely populated areas, and especially during natural disasters, can be a tough challenge. But that's not all. With the increasing need to share the data during emergencies, like real-time maps, images, and videos, robust networks are essential. These networks need to handle hefty amounts of data without causing any delays. And speaking of handling, communication devices need to be user-friendly and intuitive, even in high-pressure situations. After all, ease of use can be the difference between a successful response and a missed opportunity. Now, when it comes to addressing the challenges we've discussed, having the right tools can make all the difference. Let's take a look on how Winmate Public Safety product lineup can meet and address the challenges. Here we have all three products that form up the Winmate Radio Cloud solutions. We have the multi-mode POC radio, radio gateway, and Larzio Cloud solution, which is a push-to-talk voice over internet protocol applications. Let's discuss more about the multi-mode POC features. Since it's built around the Android platform, these solutions bring you an intuitive and familiar interface. You get access to all your favorite utilities just like on a regular smartphone. This device also has the essential features such as emergency buttons to a talk group switch and impressive battery life. It's tailor-made for efficient communication even in demanding situations. With robust touch sensitivity and projected capacitive multi-touch, this tablet stands up to the challenge. Its 4-inch color LCD is optimized for easy reading and with direct optical bonding. It can enhance the user experience. The POC device lets you switch between networks, offering convenience and adaptability. And with faster data transfer rates and reduced latency, your communication reaches unprecedented speed and efficiency. With IP65 and military standard certifications, it's waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof. It can brave the elements and stand up to the challenges of demanding environments. And with a powerful battery, the POC device ensures a long-lasting standby time. As for the radio gateway, with Larzio help, efficiency and flexibility takes center stage as radio and smartphone with specialized apps comes together. The radio gateway is a solution that tackles a challenge which is interoperability. In a single compact box, this device bridges the gap between different communication systems, breaking down barriers between radio networks, endpoints, and frequencies. Imagine you're at a rescuing site and the radio signal isn't optimal. By using the radio gateway, it takes your radio signal, transmits it through the Larzio server, and swiftly delivers it to the staff and command in other offices, enhancing communication lines. After talking all of the features, let's take a look on a case study. In the face of natural disasters and emergencies, Effective collaboration among different agencies can be the key to saving lives and minimizing damage. However, seamless communications remains a critical challenge. During emergencies, different agencies rely on a variety of communication devices, from traditional radios to modern smartphones. These devices often operate on separate frequencies and protocols, leading to communication gaps and misunderstandings. Traditional communication systems with limited range can significantly impede coordination, especially in large disaster-affected regions or remote areas where signals struggle to reach. In high-pressure situations, it's essential to maintain a detailed record of communications. However, the absence of centralized conversation logs makes it difficult to review and analyze critical information for post-incident evaluation and improvement. Now, Winmate's innovative communication solution address these challenges head-on, ensuring efficient and effective emergencies response. The radio gateway serves as the missing link between different communication devices. By seamlessly connecting various radios and smartphones, it transforms a mix of devices into a unified communication network. Agencies can communicate in real time regardless of the device they're using. As for the multi-mode POC radio, it can combine the power of both traditional radio and smartphone communication, extending the reach of emergency response teams. Lastly, the Larzio completes the operation, offering a cloud-based voice-over Internet protocol solution that bridges the gap between agencies. By providing a centralized platform for voice communication, Larzio ensures conversation logs are easily accessible and securely stored. So why Winmate? When it comes to the public safety industry or other industries, one of the key factors to consider is the availability of a wide range of products that are suitable for a variety of applications. Winmate here offers one-stop shop and service to customers, as our research and development, design and manufacture are all under one roof. We also offer customization if our standard design does not meet your requirement. We have an experienced product team management and after-sales support who understand about the technical requirements from customers and communicate effectively to deliver solutions. In customer projects, we also showed our ability to overcome different challenges and eliminate concerns from the customers. As I mentioned before, Winmate provides not only well-defined and ready-to-use products, also professional services in customizing products and project management to meet a unique customer needs for various markets. Our products are built to fit in diverse markets such as industrial automation, military, healthcare, marine, transportation, and many more. We also have passed the required certification to ensure the safety and durability of our respective products in those industries. Thank you for joining us today. Should you have any further questions or require additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Thank you and have a great day.